KS Heating and Air, the team ensuring your comfort.
It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the morning edition for Tuesday, the 17th of September. I'm James Spann. Our September heat wave rolls along today and tomorrow. The good news, heat levels come down Thursday and Friday. The bad news, rain not happening around here anytime soon. Drought conditions will only intensify. Here's the upper air look. Got the big ridge still on top of us, pumped up to the Great Lakes. We know troughs over the northeast and the northwest. That cooler air over the northeast will filter down the Appalachians, and a backdoor front will likely come in here tomorrow night, and that's going to drop the heat by Thursday and Friday. Mostly 70s this morning, highs way up in the 90s again today, just like yesterday. Quiet morning across the country with a watch warning map. A couple of marginal risks way up north, but around here we're dry tomorrow. Most of the state dry, maybe an isolated storm near Dothan. And on day 3, Thursday, again, maybe an isolated storm for Mobile and Baldwin counties, but most of the state stays rain-free, a marginal risk near the Canadian border. Rain for the next 7 days, heaviest rain on the Texas coast with a tropical disturbance down around Houston and Galveston. Pretty good rains for Kansas and Missouri, but around here we cannot buy a drop. And there might be a shower or two at some point along the way for the next 7 days, but nothing meaningful. This is the rain through Tuesday morning of next week. Wish we had better news in that department. Tropics Umberto, top winds 90 miles an hour. Moving out to sea, this thing's going to pass north of Bermuda tomorrow night. Got a tropical storm watch for Bermuda. And it becomes post-tropical this weekend up in the North Atlantic. Elsewhere, the little tropical wave coming into Texas, not much time to develop there, only a 30% chance of becoming a depression or storm before it moves inland. And Invest 97L out there in the middle of the Atlantic, a high chance of development, but that's going to be a recurving storm and no threat to the United States. So model fans, let's dive into the GFS. This is the 06E run, valid today at 4, big old ridge here. And another very hot, dry day. Sunny, highs 96 to 100. Same thing tomorrow, but note maybe a few showers kind of creeping into East Alabama late in the day. That's a possibility with that backdoor front that's going to be coming in from the northeast, not the northwest, but the northeast. But for most places, we stay dry. I'd say mid-90s tomorrow. And then Thursday, heat levels come down by a good 10 degrees. Instead of highs in the upper 90s, highs should go back in the upper 80s. You won't need jackets or sweaters, but that's a little baby step toward fall. Sky will be sunny. Same thing Friday. Friday morning, we'll probably see some 50s in cooler pockets. Highs in the mid to upper 80s, and the weekend stays dry. This is Saturday and this is Sunday. Lots of sun, highs in the upper 80s. I'd say 87 to 90 for most spots. A front north of the state, but that front just kind of fizzles out and doesn't help us with rain on Monday. And again, there could be an isolated shower somewhere, but nothing meaningful. Here's a week from today. This is Tuesday of next week. Upper high developing over the western Gulf. And again, that looks dry with showers just north and west of here. Let's go out 10 days. This is Thursday of next week, September 26th. Any hope for rain? Well, that doesn't look good with a ridge axis just to the west, and that still looks dry. Here's the ensemble output for Birmingham, and let me just point out some of the members say nothing for the rest of the month. The mean, it's about 3/4 of an inch. On the high end, you got a few members that go up to 1.5 inches, but again, that doesn't look too good. As we all know that we can be very dry here in September and October, and drought conditions just tend to persevere longer than you might think sometimes. Here are the numbers, and remember, as you look at these things, you need to tack on about 5 degrees because of the lack of soil moisture. We've got 94 today. We should be close to 99. Mid-90s tomorrow, then mid to upper 80s on Thursday and Friday. We might bump 90 or low 90s Monday and Tuesday of next week, but Again, as we lose sunlight every day, at some point this heat will finally fade. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes in the blog. Next video here by 4 o'clock this afternoon. If you can't catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.
Never wait for hot water again with a tankless water heater from Plumbing Experts. Tankless water heaters are easy, convenient, and now more affordable with a no-interest financing for up to 18 months. Stop with the cold showers and wasted water and call Plumbing Experts today.